now on a 6-hour high-speed rail ride to Kunming from Shangri-La, and what a treat it is. We managed to get the business class, only business class we could afford thus far in all our travels. So what do we have here in the business class? Fully reclining seat, wireless charging, hot tray, basic stuff basically, and USB charger, so on and so forth. Does it tilt? Yes, it does. Thrillers, cartoons. We have the whole cabin to ourselves. Me and my wifey. So in business class, you do get this complimentary box of snacks. Look forward to trying them later on. Some drinks. I chose the mineral water, but you can also choose coffee, tea, and some fruit juices. They provide you blankets. Just in case it gets so fast, it gets airborne, you have your, you know what this is. Let me bring you through the 2 classes here in the high-speed rail. This is the second class. Then we come to the first class seats. And the business class. So my lunch has arrived. It is 45 yen, which we ordered through the QR code. Nice and warm. This is chicken rice, some sauce. The food is actually not too bad. It's actually really tasty. And among the snacks that was given is my favorite rose petal biscuit. Simple but thoughtful, and they do replenish the drink. Cheers. Yep, with all that speed of things, definitely back in Kunming. So thanks for joining me on this 6-hour high-speed rail journey from Shangri-La to Kunming. See you around.